Hi Indiana, I'm David Abkarian from TransTech Systems. It's been a heck of a year so far. Too bad we can't be with you for the show this year. But rest assured, TransTech is here to service all of your non-nuclear density needs. Hopefully next year we'll be getting back to normal. We'll be out there in Indiana to see you. And I hope you all have a great year. Thank you, and we'll talk to you soon. But rest assured, TransTech is here, up in New York, ready to serve, sell, and service your non-nuclear gauges. That was god-awful.
Yes, start again.
Do it over.
Yeah, we're good.
Boom. Record.
Can you do the let's get started?
Finger guns.
For your sales and service needs.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're killing me. You're being mean. Go away.
That's going on, face friend.
Yeah.
Before you go on camera.
Rutabaga.
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 Rutabaga. Rutabaga. Rutabaga. Rutabaga. Did you hit record? Oh, you're recording me. Great.
I'm getting all.
Chris, what do I do with my hands? Chris, what do I do with my hands? Help, Chris, my hands.